What's up, YouTube family? This your girl Letty.
And you already know your boy Chris. We're bringing you back another one, another hit, another flame or whatever you call it. Please like and subscribe. Any more thing you want to say?
And remember, great minds think
Alike. What's good, y'all? I got another one for y'all today. I got that 2 times spicy, but really it's 4 times spicy. 2 bags and a lot of spice.
I've been hearing that it's been so hot, I got these with me just in case.
Okay guys, maybe I was just exaggerating just a little bit too much. But here I go for the 4 times.
4 times spicy challenge.
Look at it. First bite. This is my first time trying this. And when they said 4 times, they meant business. Ooh. It's extremely hot, extremely hot. Ooh. It's spicy, real spicy. I thought it was a joke, but it's really not. Ooh. Ooh. I think I need some water. Ooh. Let's get it. Y'all want some? Boy, ooh, I can't even talk right now. This is really spicy. Wow. Still got a lot left to go. I don't know if I'm gonna finish or not. Ooh. Spicy. Hey y'all, comment below if y'all had this before. Not 2 times, but 4 times spicy. Let me know below. Spicy, spicy. know if I can finish this. Guys, I am not exaggerating. It's really spicy. Do not try this at home. My wife got me to do this challenge. I thought it was nothing serious. But I ain't showing off for the camera. This thing is spicy. I can't even talk straight. Ooh. I had spices before, like jerk chicken, cayenne pepper, but this right here, damn. I don't know. I can't do it, y'all. These things spicy. Ooh. Man. I'm sweating. All right, guys. I guess I failed the challenge. I couldn't complete it. Extremely spicy. My wife did warn me about this, but I thought I could handle the challenge, but I can't. This one got me. I have ate spicy things before, but this one right here, 4 times spicy, yeah, it's really spicy, y'all. But anyways, like, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.